Slack AI is a simple, intuitive AI experience natively integrated in Slack. It helps users find answers, distill knowledge, and catch up on what they've missed in seconds. Let's see this in action from the perspective of a sales rep named Sarah. This is Sarah's Slack, and on the left we see her channels, which is how she organizes her work. It's the beginning of the fiscal year, and Sarah has some new accounts to get ramped up on. Her single source of truth for everything about the account lives in the channel. It's the place where her entire team can come together to plan and strategize. She's eager to get caught up to speed, and the good news is she doesn't need to bother the previous sales rep. Slack AI can help her instead. She wants to get caught up on all the activity that occurred last quarter, so she puts Slack AI to work to summarize the last 3 months of activity in the channel. And in just a few moments, Slack AI serves up key highlights on what's happened at the account. With channel recaps, Sarah is able to gather valuable historical context so that she can better understand her customer. Now, Sarah's new account is a healthcare customer, but this is a newer industry to her, and she's not quite sure which product is best to position. Instead of spending time digging through documents, she's going to lean on Slack AI again to help. Search unlocks all of the incredible institutional knowledge built by your organization. And now, with AI baked into it, we're taking that experience even further. Slack AI distills the most relevant content into one succinct answer. And what's better is sources are clearly linked, which is critical in order for Sarah to trust what Slack AI generates. Now it's time to head to the office for her customer meeting. The good news is, Slack AI is even more powerful on mobile, helping her work more productively even while on the go. She sees that she's been tagged in a thread where the team is having a last-minute discussion to prep for the meeting. A lot has happened since she last looked at it, but luckily we have Slack AI to help. With one click, Sarah can create a summary, helping her get caught up to speed and jump back into the thread without missing a beat. Feeling armed with all the context she needs, she's ready to make the most of the meeting and drive this deal forward. The first meeting was a huge success. Sarah was prepared and better understood her customer, all thanks to Slack AI. Now that her highest priority for the day is handled, it's time for her to dive back into her day-to-day work. Sarah opens her laptop and immediately goes to a customized digest that Slack AI put together for her. It summarizes all of the channels that she wants to keep tabs on, but doesn't necessarily need to read every message. What could have been hours sifting through channels can now be accomplished in minutes. Productivity unlocked. Whether you're catching up on conversations or searching for answers, Slack AI empowers every user to do most productive work in Slack.